Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and download Omegle app on your iPhone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go to your mobile's browser, simply go ahead, open it up, and go to the search bar and simply go ahead, type in Omegle, tap on this search it option, simply go ahead, tap on over here. As you can see here, once you come to this website, you can simply go ahead, tap and start a chat or a video, or simply go ahead, add your interest, and you can simply go ahead and use it. If you would like to add this Omegle as an app, so what you gotta do is simply tap on this share kind of option given below. Simply go ahead, tap on it, scroll down till you find an option called add to home screen right there. Tap on that option given. Now you can simply go ahead, rename your website or Omegle there, or if you want it like that, simply go ahead, tap on this add option given above, tap on it, and as you can see, this Omegle is now added as a app over there in the iPhone right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.